Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruchika and welcome to Creating Balance. Tulsi is widely used for its medicinal properties. It is one of the oldest herbs known to mankind. In India, it is mainly cultivated for religious purposes, but along with the religious significance, it is loaded with many health benefits. In this video, I will talk with you about various health benefits of Tulsi and what is the right way to consume Tulsi. And I will also discuss what are the precautions that you need to take when you are consuming Tulsi. So without further delay, let's start the video. First of all, let's discuss about the benefits of Tulsi. Tulsi is most commonly used against cough and cold. You can use the extract of Tulsi and ginger mixed with honey to treat the symptoms of cough and cold. Tulsi is also good for our skin, especially the acne-prone oily skin, because it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Tulsi also cleanses our skin from within. You can apply the paste of Tulsi leaves onto your face for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off with water. Tulsi helps to increase wound healing. The extract of Tulsi leaves is known to increase the rate of wound healing. Tulsi is also packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants basically fight against free radicals. Free radicals are the chemicals which damage our cellular system. So Tulsi protects us against that. Tulsi also has two very important water-soluble flavonoids which increase our immunity. So Tulsi increases our immunity, that is why it protects us against frequent fever and flus. Tulsi essential oil is also known to manage anxiety and depression. Tulsi stimulates neurotransmitter which regulates the hormones that are responsible for happiness. So if you are dealing with anxiety, stress or depression, make sure to consume tea made from Tulsi leaves. Tulsi also has antiviral and antifungal properties. It also acts as a tonic for your heart. Now, as we have discussed about the benefits of Tulsi, let's talk about the right way to consume it. First of all, I want to mention that you should never chew Tulsi leaves because Tulsi contains mercury and iron which can cause staining of your teeth. So if you have to consume Tulsi leaf, you can just take 4 to 5 leaves of Tulsi and then swallow them as such with water. If you are not comfortable swallowing the whole leaves as such, you can cut them into small pieces and then swallow them with water. Preferably, Tulsi leaves should be consumed on an empty stomach in the morning. Also, make sure that you do not consume milk or any other milk product after you have consumed Tulsi leaves for at least 1 hour, because Tulsi and milk doesn't go well with each other. If you want to consume Tulsi tea, make sure to make it without milk. A simple recipe of Tulsi tea is by just boiling some Tulsi leaves in water for some time and then switch off the gas stove and then put some lemon drops and honey to it and then you can drink it. I think I have cleared everything about Tulsi and I really hope that you will definitely make use of the information that I have provided you. So that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching.